Alright, let's swap this motherboard. Which means all of the cable management that I did yesterday is going to be for nothing. Because alright. Because the port's going to different places on this. Oh, shit. Well, at no point did I take this thing out of the socket, and I apparently should have. There's a trace running right there. Yeah, you can see the trace that no, not anymore. Yeah, so you can see the trace that's running there. It's supposed to follow around and come right through there. But the question is, what it's, man, that's not just like bent. Oh man. And I can't believe yesterday I was ready to say this thing would be good to go. Alright, so I pulled the CPU out of the motherboard for the first time, and it looks like this thing was dropped. So I'm testing it in that other motherboard now, but one of the corners is like completely peeled back, so you can see bare copper, which is a huge problem. I'm right now, like I'm putting in another motherboard now. I'm testing it, but like I think like if that ends up doing the same thing in the new motherboard, then more than likely that's the issue, not the motherboard. So we'll like it's probably going to be one or the other, hopefully. Yeah, because I pulled out the motherboard just now, and I'm gonna get ready to test it. I just went to remove the CPU from the socket, and I saw that, and it was just like, that's actually a huge problem. So, absolutely. Yep, will do. Yep. All right. So I'm wondering if what's happening is this corner was literally grounding out on the inside of the socket. It shouldn't be though. Yeah, he seemed rather not upset, but just like that, knowing like I knew there was going to be something else. No, that's not making contact with anything, so I don't think that's a problem. we're gonna go forward with this board. Hopefully everything is fine. So I guess let's go. Hey, thanks for watching that video. You can check out some of the other videos for more tech-related content. And if you want to catch me live, I am on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, chat, and maybe learn a thing or two.